Welcome, dear students. Let us continue with the remaining chapter in this video. Standard 10th, Subject Algebra, Topic Probability, Module 2. Next definition is about event. The outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Event is a subset of a sample space. Events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. For example, if two coins are tossed and A is the event of getting at least one tail, then the favorable outcomes are as follows. A is equal to TT, TH, HT. The number of elements in the event A is denoted by N of A. Here N of A is equal to 3 because we have 3 outcomes. Next we are going to see the solve examples. Example 1. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Write the sample spaces S and the number of sample points N of S. Also write the following events in the set form and write the number of sample points in each event. First condition for event A is to get at least one tail. Condition for event B is to get only one head. Condition for event C is to get at most one tail. Condition for event D is to get no head. Solution: if two coins are tossed simultaneously, sample space will be S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. So number of sample points in sample space, that is N of S, is equal to 4. Condition for event A: at least one head. So at least one head should turn up when two coins are tossed. So A is equal to HH, HT, TH. Number of sample points in event A is N of A, that is equal to 3. Condition for event B: only one head should turn up. So your event will become B is equal to HT, TH. N of B is equal to 2. Condition for event C is at most one tail should turn up. C is equal to HH, HT, TH. So N of C is equal to 3. Condition for event D is should have no head. So number of sample points in event D will be D is equal to TT. So N of D is equal to 1. These are the sample points in the event. Second example, a bag contains 50 cards. Each card bears only one number from 1 to 50. One card is drawn at random from a bag. Write the sample space. Also write the events A, B and find the number of sample points in them. Condition for event A is the number on the card is divisible by 6. Condition on event B is the number on the card is a complete square. Solution: S is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 50. So the number starting from 1 till 50 should come in the sample space. So N of S is equal to 50. Condition for event A is number should be divisible by 6. Now let us write the numbers between 1 to 50 that are divisible by 6. So those numbers are A is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So N of A, that is number of sample points in event A, is equal to 8. as there are total 8 sample points. So your n of A will become equal to 8. Second is condition for event B is the number on the card is a complete square. So B is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So we have to find out that the complete square should be between the numbers 1 to 50. So 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 6, and 49 is the square of 7. So these are the sample points in event B. So total sample points are 7. So n of B is equal to 7. Let us see the third example. A sanitation committee of 2 members is to be formed from 3 boys and 2 girls. Write sample space S and the number of sample points n of S. Also write the following events in set form and number of sample points in the event. Condition for event A, at least one girl must be a member of the committee. Condition for event B, committee must be of 1 boy and 1 girl. Condition for event C, committee must be of boys only. Condition for event D, at the most one girl should be a member of the committee. So we have to find out the sample space and we have to write the number of sample points. Also we have to write the events in set form and the sample points in the event. Solution. Suppose B1, B2, B3 are 3 boys and G1, G2 are 2 boys. Out of these boys and girls, a sanitation committee of 2 members is to be formed. So sample space is written as S is equal to B1, B2, B1, B3, B2, B3, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2, B3, G1, B3, G2, G1, G2. So total sample points in the sample space are 10. So therefore n of S is equal to 10. First condition is for event A is that at least one girl must be a member of the committee. So sample points in event A are written as B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, B3 G1, B3 G2, G1 G2. So here at least one girl is present. At least one girl means it can be more than one girl but not less than one girl. So at least one girl should be present. So the girls can be 2. Committee of 2 girls can be formed. Also in the committee one girl should be present. So total sample points in event A is 7. So therefore n of A is equal to 7. Second is condition for event B is that one boy and one girl should be there in the committee. B is equal to B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, B3 G1, B3 G2. So one girl and one boy should always be there in the committee. So n of B or the number of sample points in event B is 6. So we have n of B is equal to 6. Third is the condition for event C is that there should be only boys in the committee. So C is equal to B1 B2, B1 B3, B2 B3. So n of C is equal to 3, that is number of sample points in the event C is 3. Last, fourth condition is for event D is that there can be at most one girl in the committee. So D is equal to B1 B2, B1 B3, B2 B3, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, B3 G1 and B3 G2. At most one girl means that it can be one girl itself. but not more than one girl. It can be less than one girl, but it cannot be more than one girl. So these are the sample points in event D. So total sample points which we find in event D are 9. So n of D is equal to 9. Fourth solve example is 2 dice are rolled. Write the sample space S and the number of sample points n of S. Also write events and number of sample points in the event according to the given condition. First is sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. Sum of the digits on the upper face is the multiple of 5. Sum of the digits on the upper face is 25. Digits on the upper face of the first die is less than the digit on the second die. Solution. Sample space S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So number of sample points in the sample space n of S is equal to 36. So we have 36 sample points when 2 dice are rolled. Now let us see the events and the sample points in the events. First is event E is equal to the sum of the digit on the upper face is a prime number. E is equal to, we have to write down that what is the sum of the digits on the upper face, it should be a prime number. So 1 plus 1 we have 3 which is a prime number, so that can be taken in this event E. 1, 2 is taken because 1 plus 2 is again 3. 1, 4 is taken because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, which is a prime number. 1, 6 is taken because 1 plus 6 is 7, which is a prime number. 2, 1 is taken because 2 plus 1 is 3, which is a prime number. 2, 3 is taken because 2 plus 3 is 5, which is a prime number. 2, 5 we take because 2 plus 5 is 7. Again, it's a prime number. 3, 2 is taken because 3 plus 2 is 5. It's a prime number. 3, 4 is taken because 3 plus 4 is 7, which is a prime number. 4, 1 is taken because 4 plus 1 is 5. That's a prime number. 4, 3 is taken because 4 plus 3 is 7. That is a prime number. 5, 2 is taken because 5 plus 2 is 7. That's a prime number. 5, 6 is taken because 5 plus 6 is 11, which is a prime number. 6, 1 is taken because 6 plus 1 is 7. That's a prime number. And 6, 5 is taken because 6 plus 5 is 11. That's a prime number. So these are the sample points in event E. So total sample points in event E we get are n of E is equal to 15. Second event is F, event F. The sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 5. So we have to add the digits on the upper face and its sum should be a multiple of 5. F is equal to 1, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, that's a multiple of 5. 2, 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 again, that's a multiple of 5. 3, 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, which is a multiple of 5. 4, 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, which is a multiple of 5. 4, 6, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, that's a multiple of 5. 5, 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, that is a multiple of 5. 6, 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, which is a multiple of 5. So these are the sample points in event F. So total sample points in event F, n of F is equal to 7. Next is event G. The sum of the digits on the upper face is 25. So G is an empty set because we don't find any sum of the digits on the upper face, which is 25. So G is an empty set which is denoted like this. N of G, or the number of sample points in event G, is 0. So we have N of G as 0. Fourth is event H. The number on the upper face of the first die is less than the digit on the second die. So the sample points in event H are written as 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 6. These are the numbers on the upper face of the first die, which is less than the digit on the second die. So total sample points in event H, N of H, is equal to 15. Let us start with practice set 5.3. First question is, write sample space S and number of sample points N of S for the following experiment. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write N of A, N of B, N of C. One die is rolled. Event A is equal to event number on the upper face. Event A should have even number on the upper face. Event B should have odd number on the upper face. Event C should have prime number on the upper face. Let us begin with the solution. Sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sample points when a die is rolled. So N of S is total events in the total sample points in the sample space. N of S is equal to 6. For event A, even number should turn up on the upper face. So out of 1 to 6, even numbers are 2, 4, 6. So total sample points in event A is 3. So N of A we have is equal to 3. Event B should have odd number on the upper face. So from the sample space, the odd numbers are B is equal to 1, 3, 5. So we have N of B is equal to 3. C event is prime number should be on the upper face. So out of the sample points from the sample space, prime numbers are C is equal to 2, 3, 5. So total sample points in event C is 3. So we have N of C is equal to 3. Second question of practice set 5.3 is, write sample space S and number of sample points N of S for the following. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write N of A, N of B, N of C when two dice are rolled simultaneously. Event A should be the sum of the digit on the upper face is a multiple of 6. Event B should be the sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Event C should be the same digit on both the upper face. Solution. Sample space is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. These are the sample points in sample space. So total sample points we find are 36 when two dice are rolled simultaneously. So we have N of S is equal to 36. For first event, the sum of the digit on the upper face is the multiple of 6. So 1, 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is the multiple of 6, so we have taken 1 comma 5. We have taken 2 comma 4 because 2 plus 4 is 6, which is a multiple of 6. We have taken 3 comma 3 because 3 plus 3 is 6, which is again a multiple of 6. We have taken 4 comma 2 because 4 plus 2 is 6, which is a multiple of 6. We have taken 5 comma 1 because 5 plus 1 is 6, that is a multiple of 6. And we have taken 6 comma 6 because 6 plus 6 is 12, which is a multiple of 6. So total sample points in event A are 6. So we have n of A is equal to 6. For event B, the sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. So we have taken 4 comma 6 because 4 plus 6 is 10. We have taken 5 comma 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10. We have taken 5 comma 6 because 5 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. We have taken 6 comma 4 because 6 plus 4 is 10. We have taken 6 comma 5 because 6 plus 5 is 11. And we have taken 6 comma 6 because 6 plus 6 is 12. So total sample points in event B is n of B is equal to 6. Event C is the same digit on both the upper faces. So the sample points in event C are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So total sample points in event C, n of C is equal to 6. Third one, write sample space S and the number of sample points n of S for the following experiment. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Event A is to get at least one head. Event B is to get no head. Event C is to get head on the second coin. Solution: sample points when 3 coins are tossed is H, 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 T, H, T, T, H, T, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, H, H, T, T, T. So n of S is equal to 8. So when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, n of S or the number of sample points in sample space is equal to 8. Event A is to get at least one head. So we have A is equal to H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H. Here at least one head is there. That is at least one head, or it can be more than one head. So these are the sample points in event A. So total sample points in event A, n of A is 4. Event B is to get no head. That is only one sample point, that is T, T, T. So B is written as event B. So we have event B, B is equal to T, T, T. So n of B is equal to 1. C is to get head on the second coin. So sample points in event C are written as C is equal to H, 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 T, T, H, T, T, H, H. So number of sample points in event C, n of C is equal to 4. Fourth question of practice set 5.3 is write sample space S and number of sample points n of S for the following experiment. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C. 2-digit number are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repeating of digits. Event A is the number formed is even. Event B is number formed is divisible by 3. Event C is the number formed is greater than 50. Solution: sample space is 1, 1, 0, 10, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 4, 0, 40, 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 5, 45, 5, 0, 50, 5, 1, 51, 4, 2, 42, 5, 3, 53, 5, 4, 54. So total sample points in sample space are sample points in sample space S is 25. Event A is the number formed is even. So let us write all the even numbers from the sample space. Those are A is equal to 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. So therefore we have n of A is equal to 13. Event B is number formed is divisible by 3. So let us write the numbers which are divisible by 3 from the sample space. Those are B is equal to 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51, 54. So we have n of B is equal to 9. So total sample points in event B is 9. Next is event C is the number formed is greater than 50. So we have C is equal to 51, 52, 53, 54. So n of C is 4. Next is the fifth question. Write sample space S and number of sample points n of S for the following. Also write event A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C from 3 men and 2 women environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Event A is there must be at least 1 woman member. Event B is 1 man, 1 woman committee to be formed. Event C is there should not be a woman member. Solution S is equal to M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, F1, M1, F2, M2, M3, M2, F1, M2, F2, M3, F1, M3, F2. So total sample points in sample space S is 10. Event A is there must be at least 1 woman member. So those sample points are written as M1 F1, M1 F2, M2 F1, M2 F2, M3 F1, M3 F2, M1 F2. So total sample points in event A is equal to 7. Event B is 1 man, 1 woman committee is to be formed. So sample points in event B are written as M1 F1, M1 F2, M2 F1, M2 F2, M3 F1, M3 F2. So n of B is equal to 6. Event C is there should not be a woman member. So we have M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. So n of C we get as 3. Sixth sum of practice set 5.3 is write sample space S and number of sample points n of S for the following experiment. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C when 1 coin, 1 die are thrown simultaneously. Event A is to get head and odd number. Event B is to get head or tail and even number. Event C is number on the upper face is greater than 7 and the tail on the coin. So sample space is written as S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So n of S is equal to 12. A is event to get head and odd number. So A is equal to H1, H3, H5. N of A is equal to 3. Event B is to get head or a tail and even number. So we have B is equal to H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. So n of B is equal to 6. Event C is number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin should be there. So which is an empty set. So C is equal to empty set. N of C is equal to 0. I hope you all like the video. Thank you.